Hello everybody. Today we are going to see about the unboxing video of Snibe MAGLUMI Anti-HBe CLIA. Here we can see the brand name Snibe. Over here we can see the MAGLUMI Anti-HBe CLIA chemiluminescence immunoassay. This kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 6.5 ml neutralizing reagent, 6.5 ml ABI label, 1 ml negative control, 1 ml positive control. Here we can see the reference number of this product 130210022M. This is a CE certificate IVD product. Here we can see the lot number, then manufacturing date, expiry date of this kit. This kit contains one instruction manual inside this kit. We can store away from direct sunlight. We can maintain the temperature of this kit between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. We can do 100 tests using this reagent kit. Over here we can see the manufacturing details of this product. This product is from China. The origin of this kit is China. Here we can see the manufacturing details. This is the overall representation of this product. Now I am going to see the another angles. In this side we can see the brand name Snibe. On the other side we can see the brand name Snibe. On this side we can see the product name MAGLUMI Anti-HBe, reference number 130210022M. This is overall representation of this product. Now I am going to unpack this for your reference. After unpacking, we are going to see the first one is instruction manual. Here we can see the brand name Snibe. The product name is MAGLUMI Anti-HBe CLIA chemiluminescence immunoassay. A CE certificate IVD product. The reference number of this kit is 130210022M 100 test per kit. Here we can see the indentive summary, test principle, reagents, warnings and precautions, reagent handling, and lot of stuff in this instruction manual. I am going to keep this aside. And the next one is a QC certificate provided by Snibe. Keep this aside. And the next one is a MAGLUMI reagent seal. Here we can see MAGLUMI reagent seal Anti-HBe. I am going to keep this aside. And the next one is a positive and negative control stickers. Here we can see the first 4 one is for positive control, Anti-HBe positive control, and the second 4 is Anti-HBe negative control. Total of 8 nurses, 4 for positive control and 4 for negative control. And the next one is a positive control, negative control of each bottle is 1 ml. This is packed in a cover. I am going to unpack this for your reference. After unpacking, we can see clearly the red color cap is positive control and the white color cap is negative control. I am going to take this one. MAGLUMI volume of 1 ml Anti-HBe positive control. You can see also target value and range. And the second one is the white color cap represents MAGLUMI volume of 1 ml Anti-HBe negative control. Also we can see the range values. I am going to keep this aside. And the final one is a reagent kit MAGLUMI Anti-HBe CLIA chemiluminescence immunoassay. This kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 6.5 ml neutralizing reagent, 6.5 ml ABI label. Now I am going for summary. Yeah, here we go for summary. Today we can see the product Snibe MAGLUMI Anti-HBe. This kit contains one instruction manual, one QC certificated product by Snibe Diagnostics. Here we can see the positive control, negative control stickers for Anti-HBe. Then the reagent seal for Anti-HBe. The volume of 1 ml of each bottle is positive control and negative control. And the final one is reagent kit MAGLUMI Anti-HBe, 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 6.5 ml neutralizing reagent, 6.5 ml ABE label. Thank you.